can hear me. I'm gonna try this and see if it works. Uh, Let me go back. Large this for a second. Okay, good. I think I should be on and you all can hear me. All right. I wanted to also promote something called Mint Mobile. I've been using them and I'm doing a review of them. I've been using them since the beginning of 2021, January. And I was sick of tired of paying Verizon hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month. You know, I'd be paying like 150, 180 dollars every single month for Verizon. I have been with them for a really long time and I really got good service, but I was just wanting to save more money any way possible. So I heard about Mint Mobile. They were doing a promotion, get 3 months, buy 3 months, get 3 months free, anywhere from $15 to $30. $15 is, I think, a 5G, a plan, 5G plan, where you get 5 gigabytes, and then I think the 30 is unlimited. So I just wanted to be safe and got the 30 unlimited. And here we are, March 31st, 2021. I live in a rural, outside of the city. I want to see how my service was, and I I'm letting you know how I've enjoyed Mint Mobile. The first reason why I enjoyed Mint Mobile, I don't talk to them on the phone, but I talk to them through Facebook. And if I message them through Facebook, on their page, they get back to me within 2-3 hours during working business days. Now, if I send them after hours, you know, in the evening or at midnight, they won't get back to you till the next day, of course, but they are always very fantastic, very positive, and I can feel their live energy coming through the computer of how excited they are and so willing to help you if you have a problem. So I love them for that. And then next, as you can see, to look and to log into your account, it's really, really easy to understand. Like, all your tabs are on the left hand side, and then all the information on that tab is shown right here. And they do what they promise. I have free, I paid from January to February, or to April 15th. I paid my 3 months, and then after that they're gonna give me the 3 months for free up until July 15th. And then they also gave me a referral credit, because I clicked on someone's link, and then they got $15 and then I got $15. So I got a $15 credit waiting for my next billing cycle for me as well, to give me a discount. So I personally really, really enjoyed Mint Mobile, and especially because if you're living in a outside of a city limits, it's really good Wi-Fi access to towers and satellite, I should say satellite towers, but I think I'm using the T-Mobile towers, but I guess we get the spillover from that. But I've never had a problem getting on internet, off internet. But just like any place, you do have some blackout areas. So, but overall, I get internet service wherever I go, anywhere in the city. And then you can also look on Mint Mobile before you join. They actually have you look if you have actual internet, or you actually have internet capabilities in your area. So, and sufficient towers in your area as well. So you don't have to worry about that until you sign up, and then they'll let you know when you put in your area code. So you don't have to like worry, like, do I have service? Do I not have service? They'll let you know right away if you have service once you sign up. So you can see here, you see my account preferences, the up roaming. If you want to roam, you can pay for roaming. My auto renew, I have it turned off right now because I don't have to pay until July 15th. And I'm in Colorado, and then I'm going to be going back to California. So I'm going to check it soon. So I'm going to check out how the my data is out there, and if it's any different than here. So then I can load my wallet. I can put money in my wallet, my billing information, of course, and then you can do Wi-Fi talk and text. I just actually enabled this before I made this video. I had it disabled. So you can see that. Refer a friend. And this is where if you refer a friend, you can read here what it says about referring friends. I didn't make any videos. I haven't posted my link anywhere. I haven't done any affiliate marketing with my link. This is my first video I'm doing, just in my first review of doing this. So I guess this is referrals that I made. The other one was when I clicked on someone else's link and got $15 credit, but I didn't personally make any referrals with my own link yet. And you can obviously make a lot of money. You might not even have to pay a cell phone bill for a while if you can get enough friends to credit you, especially if you only have the 15 or the 5 gigabyte accounts, where I don't use that much data because I am on my own internet at my house a lot, and then on other people's internet comes really easy and free these days. When you go to a mall, to the airport, you just log on someone else's internet. So $15 a month for the internet plan that they have is really doable, and you won't go over your data. And that's what I've been experiencing as I look back on my history of how much gigabytes I use. And then you can have the family plan. I don't know what it's doing, flying away like a rocket ship. And then you can see here all the plans that they have. And you can see you get 4 gigabytes, not 5, on the 5G network. Sorry, it's 4 gigabytes for $15 a month. And then this is obviously the most popular, because people don't usually use their own internet and much these days if they can hop on someone else's internet. Wi-Fi. All right. So that is that. And then you can have the Mint family plan. You can add other people to your Mint. I love this guy, the Fox. He's a pretty amazing. He always makes you smile. And here you can do add up to 5 accounts. Like if your dad or your mom or your sister are using other accounts, you can just add them here. Very easy and simple. I didn't sign up for auto renew just yet, as you know, so I didn't do the family plan. I don't have any other family members on here just yet. And then you can see here how I added funds in January, and I got it activated on the same day, and then I got my 3 months free 2 days later. And then they gave me 15 days later, they gave me a $15 credit that I should have received for clicking on someone else's link to sign up for Mint Mobile, and then they probably got their $15 credit as well. So it takes about 2 weeks from the day you sign up to get your promotional credit. Likewise for the other person, if I send my affiliate link, it would take, and someone clicked on it today, it would take 15 days from now for me to find that credit if they sign up. And then you have international calling, just like anything. I don't need that right now. And then you can sign up to know about promotional notifications that they're holding. They do this. They had a Christmas special And then I'm sure that they'll have another special coming up, and that is the time to buy this. I really, 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 really think that this might even be better than Verizon, just in terms of customer service approach, where I can just reach out to them quickly and they get back to me pretty quickly on Facebook. And then you can see I have my personal info here. It gives you personal data about myself. And then I can order a new SIM card or activate the SIM card that I have and put it in my phone. So it's pretty straightforward, y'all. I love Mint Mobile. I love, love, love the Fox, and I love having to pay such a small fee for a cell phone that I'm only paying less than $100 and 7 months into the year. So by the end of the year, I'll be probably paying, you know, $200, max $230 or so for the whole entire year of cell phone service. You really can't beat that, and you get perfect reception everywhere that I've been going. I mean, from my own personal experience. So I hope that you sign up too, and I hope you enjoyed this. Talk to you later.